How to change email on Telegram X. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and here tap on settings. So now we in this settings interface. So this is the place where you can customize and add different options. Here, there's a section called privacy and security. Simply tap on privacy and security. Here there's a section of login email. Simply tap on it. So this is the place where you can change your email. Here tap on change email. So enter a new email that is valid. So after you do this, a verification code will be sent to the new mail and you can easily verify and change your old mail. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.